Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 16th of March 2021 question number 9. It's a memory based question and question is in the house of coordinate geometry. If a variable of the chord of circle x square plus y square is equal to 25 touching the hyperbola y square by 9 minus x square by 9 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So then locus of the midpoint of the variable chord is 4 options are given. So it's a memory based question and this is the two axis x and y, and this is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. So now the hyperbola is x square by 9 minus y square by 16. So this is the hyperbola. So now the touching chord. So the chord is which is passes through the center and it is just like that. So T1 and T2 are the two touching point. Now T1 and T2 are the two touching point. So now x square is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 25. The circle is given here. Now the middle point, now the middle point M, let M is the middle point of the chord. So M is equal to, let's suppose, H comma K, and a middle point of T1 T2. M is the middle point of the chord T1 T2 and the coordinate of M is equal to H comma K. Therefore T is equal to S1 we know. So T x H plus YK minus 25 is equal to H square plus K square minus 25. T is equal to S1. So now that implies XH plus YK is equal to H square plus K square. Therefore Y is equal to minus H by K into X plus H square plus K square divide K. This is equation number 1. Now we know C is equal to C square is equal to A square M square minus B square. So from putting the value of C is equal here, so here we get C is equal, it is Y is equal to mx plus C. So C is equal to A square plus K square by K whole square. So therefore H square plus K square whole square divide K square is equal to, A is equal to what? A is equal to 9 into H by K whole square minus 16. So now the locus is locus of midpoint. So locus of midpoint is now x square plus y square whole square by y square is equal to, it is 9x square minus 16y square divide y square. So eliminated y square from numerator both side. So here we get x square plus y square whole square is equal to 9x square minus 16y square. So this is the required locus. So this is our required locus. So we reached, it is our required answer, and our option is option 3 is our correct choice. X square plus y square whole square and x square 16y square. So now moving to question 10. So question 10 tells that three normals are drawn to y square is equal to 2x intersecting at the point a comma 0. Then A must be greater than 4 options are given. So at first, this is the question in the house of coordinate geometry, and this is a memory based question. So these are the two axes, and this is the hyperbola. This is the parabola. So it is A and it is B. So now this is 2A. So from question we know y square is equal to 2x. So here we get the parabola is given here. So a is equal to here half, and we know a greater than 1. Therefore y is equal to mx. The equation normal. So the equation of the normal is mx minus 2 into half into m minus half mq. Now this one passes through the point. This one passes through the point a comma 0. So this is satisfy the equation, that is 0 is equal to am minus m minus mq by 2. So that implies m into a minus, sorry, it is when we multiply this, so here we get a into twice a, it is twice a, taking common m at first, so it is a minus 1 minus m square by 2. So it is, that is equal to 0. Now that implies m into m square plus 2 minus 2a. After calculating and eliminating minus, here we get this. So here m is equal to 0 either, or m square plus 2 minus 2a is equal to 0. So that implies m square is equal to 2a minus 2. So m is equal to what? If then a must be greater than, question asks a value of a must be greater than, if a is greater than 1, so a is greater than 0, so 2a minus 2 is greater than 0. That implies a greater than 1. So the value of a is greater than 1 always. So I think we reached, and our option is, right choice is option 1 is our correct choice. So here are the two solutions of question 9 and 10. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.